I wanted to hear how I do it, and I did 15 videos were really good for me. And I had them come over and to help me. And I wanted her about how I my mobility was, how I use my any hand for vital with the handing thing that promote mobility and weight balance. Because I can actively, I can move my two hands evenly. We popped off the handle so they were out of my way, and we put the tray all the way up around my stomach so that I can reach everything that I need. So if you want to follow along in this video, the recipe will be linked down below and hop in your handle and get right to it. So where do I put my coffee on? I use a plastic bottle, and I like these bottles because they have a little locking mechanism that allows you to unlock and lock the top when you are pouring them into a coffee drink. And as you can see, I have two of them already made, which I will make down below as well. This one is strawberry, this one is blueberry, and then the one in the cup is raspberry, and I probably had about $10 to $12 making each one. And how many ounces? No,
it looks like they are 14 ounces, 16 ounces.
So you can get a whole 16 ounce drink basically in one of those baskets. So today we're going to be making apple macchiato at home. So let's get right into it. You're going to need apple milk, any type. If you do have severe mobility disorder, maybe it's about getting apple milk in a plastic bottle so that you don't break the bottle. And then nutmeg and cinnamon, also plastic bottles might be something you would consider. Brown sugar, pork, and then white sugar as well. So that's how you do it, and I have Minder put all the pot and pan on top of my standing table, and then pork as well. So let me show you how we do it. So I have enough mobility that I won't kill myself. So let me say that. Yeah. And then I'll hand you that so it doesn't. And then I'll put measuring cup. Might need down a bit. It's okay, I have $2. Then we'll mix it up. And I put it in the pot. And then I'll have you talk to them about that.
Okay.
That. But I can do independently because it's packed in. There we go. And then the mastermind behind this adaptation.
Yeah, in the practice visit video we did straight from the bag of sugar, and that was a little bit challenging. So to help Anna, we decided to put the sugar in a bowl so that she could scoop it into the pot. So we'll just take a couple scoops here.
Yeah.
Maybe one more. last pitch.
What you making?
Hockey pot. Okay, so I've been pouring it in because, you know, why not? And then we're gonna put the, oh yeah, pot is important. And then now, yeah. And then, now it has to boil on medium heat. I realize that heat with PP have my dangerous pain. So you know, I prefer to use a air fryer for that reason. So I'm gonna have Minna put this on the heat, and we're going to have it boil down for a minute until I think it's in a half cup, and then we're gonna bottle it up, and that is how we make hockey cards. If this video is helpful, maybe not comment down below what I can make next or what happens you have, and thank you for watching Foodie with Anna. Also, shout out to my huge map I'm made on my kitchen floor and on my any candy bar. So any can, please pay me to make these cooking videos because your products are very durable.